We'll guide you through how to recover deleted contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you accidentally deleted one or multiple contacts, or you found all your contacts have gone and you think they may have been deleted. We'll guide you through how you can try recovering and restoring them. Go and open up your settings. So if you previously gone and backed up your contacts to iCloud, there's a chance they may still be in there if you're now not syncing. So what we can do is try syncing them again. So come to your Apple account settings at the top, go down and find iCloud. Then press save to iCloud and you want to try switching on contacts. This will then go and put your iCloud contacts back on your phone. So if you had deleted it from your iPhone, but it was still in iCloud, it'll go and be resynced hopefully. If it still doesn't, then what you can try doing is you may need to go and have your Gmail and Google contacts switched on if they previously were. Come back to your main settings and go and type in mail like so and press it at the top. Press mail accounts, tap on your Gmail or Google account and find contacts and switch it on. Go and see if they're then back. If you've deleted it from Gmail, then what you can do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, come to Google and press the apps button in the top right, go and find contacts, press the 3 lines in the top left and you want to go down to bin. You can then go and select them here and you can go and recover them as you can see. Hopefully you managed to get them back.